In a world where technology is ever evolving, the Vision Pro steps in to redefine the boundaries of what's possible. Welcome to a journey of innovation and discovery, a journey that leads to the Vision Pro. Imagine a device that merges the virtual with the reality, creating an immersive experience like never before. That's what the Vision Pro brings to the table. It's more than just a piece of technology, it's a gateway to a world yet unexplored. The Vision Pro, with its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, is designed to redefine how we operate in our daily lives. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of the user. Picture this. You're an architect, and you've been working on a project for months. With the Vision Pro, you can view your 3D model in a real-world environment. You can walk around it, see how it fits in its surroundings, and make changes on the go. It's almost like having your project come to life right before your eyes. Or imagine you're a medical student. The Vision Pro can transform your study sessions. You can see the human anatomy in 3D, explore each organ, understand its workings, all without stepping into a lab. The Vision Pro makes learning interactive and engaging. But the Vision Pro isn't just for professionals. It's for the gamer who wants to dive into their game, the movie buff who wants to be a part of the film, the traveler who wants to explore destinations before they even get there. The Vision Pro is for everyone. This device is a game changer, a revolution in the tech world. It's not about what it can do, it's about what you can do with it. The Vision Pro isn't about changing the game, it's about creating a whole new one. As we delve deeper into the era of technological advancement, the Vision Pro stands as a beacon of what's possible. It's not just about viewing the world, it's about experiencing it in a whole new way. Now the question is, what do you think about the Vision Pro? How do you see it fitting into your world? Do you see it as a tool to enhance your work? A device to enrich your entertainment, or a gadget to explore new horizons? The comment section awaits your thoughts. Share your views on the Vision Pro, dive into the discussion, share your perspectives, and let's explore the world of possibilities with the Vision Pro together. In the end, the Vision Pro isn't just a piece of technology, it's a symbol of the future, a testament to human innovation and creativity. It's a step towards a world where the boundaries between the virtual and the real blur, where technology and life intertwine seamlessly. Welcome to the future, welcome to the world of the Vision Pro.